In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view audit logs in Freshdesk. Audit logs are your system's living history. They capture who did what and when, so you can verify changes, trace issues, and maintain accountability. Whether you're troubleshooting a sudden rule change, confirming a security update, or simply keeping a record for compliance, the audit log is where you'll find a reliable, chronological trail of activity performed by administrators and agents inside your Freshdesk account. To get started, sign into your Freshdesk account and head to the admin area. Look to the sidebar and click the admin icon. This takes you to the central hub for managing your account and settings. If you don't see the option, make sure you're using a profile with the right permissions, since access to administrative features is typically limited to protect your workspace. Once you're in admin, find the account section. Under that section, click on Audit Logs. This is where Freshdesk collects the activity history in one place. Opening it will display a clean, searchable overview of what's been happening across your help desk. Think of it as your control room dashboard for oversight and verification. Inside the audit logs, you'll see a chronological list of actions, with the most recent usually at the top. Each entry includes 4 key pieces of information. First, the timestamp, which shows the exact moment a change occurred. This is essential for reconstructing timelines, correlating events, or verifying when a policy took effect. Second, the actor, which identifies the specific agent or admin who performed the action. This helps you follow up directly with the right person if you need clarification. Third, the action itself, describing what happened, such as modifying a business rule, deleting a user, or changing a security setting. This makes it easy to spot impactful updates versus routine maintenance. Finally, the object, which tells you exactly what was affected, like the name of the rule, the user record, or the particular configuration item that changed. As you review the list, scan for entries that align with the issue or time frame you're investigating. Use the timestamp to confirm sequencing, check the actor to verify ownership, and read the action and object together to understand the outcome in context. If anything looks unexpected, you have precise details to discuss with your team and confirm intent. That's all you need to reliably view and interpret audit logs in Freshdesk. Keep this page handy whenever you need clarity, traceability, or peace of mind about changes in your help desk.